Educake.co.uk is a really useful website that enables you to set yourself short tests to check your understanding in science. When you get to the web page, click on Student Login. You should enter your username and password that you have been provided with at school. Once you are in, you will be able to do the following things. You can answer questions your teacher has set you can set your self-test for revision, or you can view your test results or see how well you know each topic. As you can see in the green box, there are no new tests set by your teacher at this time. However, all of the tests that have been set will appear here, naming the test name but also the date that it ends. You are also able to set your own tests. As you can see, I set myself a test previously on plant and animal cells that contained 5 questions, and I got 4 out of 5 correct. If you want to set yourself a test, you need to select the key stage that's relevant to you. This could be Key Stage 3 Science or GCSE 9 to 1 Science AQA. It's exactly the same process, so I'm going to take you through how to set yourself a Key Stage 3 Science test. Click on Set Yourself a Test, choose the topic. I'm going to choose for particles, scroll down, and I'm going to focus on solids, liquids and gases. I'm going to choose and update the questions. It says here the maximum number of questions is 22. I'm going to just select a short number to show you how this works. Once you have decided how many questions you want, click on Take the Test. As you can see, the questions are clearly explained. It says look at the diagram below and choose which letter shows a solid. We know that solid particles are arranged in a solid in an ordered structure, so I'm going to select the letter A. Click Submit and it will tell you whether your answer is right. Click on the next question and it will continue through. Complete the following sentence. The state of matter in which particles have the least energy is a solid. Click on Submit and it will take you through. Next question. As you can see in the corner, it tells you how many questions you've got right and gives you a percentage. Denby and James are discussing water pressure. Denby thinks that the pressure exerted by a liquid depends on the density of the liquid. James thinks that the density is not as important, as the pressure is the same in all liquids. Who is correct, Denby or James? Select on the person who you think is correct. As you can see, I selected James, which is a wrong answer. It should have been Denby. So for every time you get a wrong answer, it also tells you what the correct one is. When you get to the end of the test, it allows you to click and view your results. You can see that for each question you got correct, you have a green tick, and for a question that you got incorrect, you have a red cross. You can click on the red cross to see what happened and why you got it wrong, just so that you can review. If you wish to take the test again, you can click on the test again. Taking the test again, they will sometimes come in a different order. I know that the letter A is correct. In question 2, I know that this is a solid. And this time, I'm going to click the right answer, MP. I now can see my results, and I can see that I've got all the questions again. You can go back and see your view previous attempt at test, or you can view your progress. As you can see, it breaks down that in chemistry, I have attempted one test here, and this is how many questions I have answered. It adds up your percentages for every time you take the test. If you want to answer more questions, you can keep track of how many questions you've set yourself. If you want to go back to the home page, just click on the cake in the top left-hand corner. When you have taken more than 20 questions, you are able to view your report. Your report will give you a breakdown of all the topics and a breakdown of the type of questions that you are best at. If you want to change your password, you can change it here, and you can also give feedback on what you think about Educake. If you want to view your results test by topic, you can quickly go in and have a look. As you can see that I've taken tests on chemistry already, so I can track my progress based on the topics that I have taken. Just brings you back to the page that you saw earlier. Click back on here. When you've finished, you can log out. I hope you found this useful, and I hope you will use Educake to support and check your understanding of the topics you have been learning in class. Thank you.